Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to post on X or Twitter app. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the X application on your phone. Then click on the leaf icon beneath the inbox tab. Then you're gonna go ahead and write whatever you want to post on Twitter. You can click on this image icon to select image from your gallery. You can also click on this GIF to search and then use GIF on your Twitter post. Click on these two lines and then you'll be able to create poll. And again, if you click on this icon, you'll be able to allow location on Twitter. And once you are done, you can come here to choose who can respond to your Twitter post. And then finally, you can click on this plus button to add another post. Click on it again to add another post. So you can use this plus button to add multiple posts on Twitter, especially if you have a long story or many images you want to upload. And after that, go ahead and click on post or post all, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to post on X using the X or Twitter app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.